Product differentiation means making a product different from other similar products in the market. In simple words, product differentiation equals making your product special. Why is product differentiation important? Product differentiation helps a business to attract more customers, stand out from competitors, build brand loyalty, increase sales. How do companies differentiate products? Companies make products different by quality, design, color or style, features, price, packaging, brand name. Very easy examples. Different brands of toothpaste have different flavors. This is product differentiation. Mobile phones have different camera features. This is product differentiation. Daily life example. Very simple. Many shops sell shoes. One brand sells stylish shoes. Another sells comfortable shoes. Each brand is using product differentiation. Types of product differentiation: easy, quality-based, better material, design-based, unique look, price-based, cheaper or premium, feature-based, extra functions, student-friendly sentence. The company uses product differentiation to attract customers. Important point to remember. Products may be similar, but differentiation makes them unique. Easy memory tip. Different product equals differentiation.